Hello. Yep. Boat. Hey, move your face. Yep.
Okay.
So, I was gonna make a video today, but I can't. I'm feeling sick. It's not just this. I'm feeling sick, and yeah. If you guys have any, and if you guys have any like screen recorder things and audio recorders that are free, hopefully, then yeah, just put it in the comments. That's it for today. Bro on. No. Boss on. Oh yeah. Hello. It's me again. Say hello.
Hello.
Yep.
About me.
Say hello.
Hello.
Yep. And so yeah, we're at a gas station for the boats and still got congestion, but sorry. Yeah, for boats. Yeah, so again, life is good. Should be. Lighting is really bad. There we go. Yeah, my hair's a mess.
I know how it's the gas station.
Yep. Well.
Because the water has to leak out. It's like the gas.
No. The boat needs fuel to. I'll explain it to you after the video. So yeah.
The water. Are you crazy?
Amazing, isn't it? Yep. Kind of small boat. Just had lunch. Yep. Amazing. Well. Yep. Still feel kind of sick, but yep, you just saw that. So yeah, hopefully I feel better tomorrow. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. So, is that where we go speeding fast? Jojo! Ow, my finger! Popcorn.
Amazing. Stop it!
Now do it to me.
See? Whoa.
Now do it to me. Do it to me. Now do it to me.
Okay.
Do it to me. You know he's videoing this to his friends online.
No, online. Is it okay if I put it online?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Everybody's gonna see it.
They're gonna be like, whoa, she's so amazing. You better put that in the comments. You better. Just joking. Just joking.
Is that guy nuts?
Yep, that guy's nuts.
Yep, he is a nut.
What's that over there? What is that guy doing?
Camping!
What is he doing?
He's a nut.
Yep. Thumbs up. Come on, thumbs up. Thumbs up on your face. Yes, your pinky. Okay, thumbs up. At your face. Yeah, good. Kawaii.
I'm gonna kill you.
That's tall.
What's
On your shoulder.
No, Isai, come on. Isai.
Вода 64.
Look at my feet.
Oh my goodness.
Now do it to me. Do it to me. Yo, you poop. Do it to me.
You're saying that to all the people that are gonna watch this?
Do it to me. Do it to me. Do it to me. Do it to me. I hate you. Do it to me. Bye. Do it to me. Yo, butzo. Yo, real. You put in a video. I'm gonna kick your butt. See, that's the video on this.
You guys are weird.
He's a dummy butt. He's a weird, his nose with his snot.
You know what? That's nasty. How is that possible? Your snot's already in your nose. No, stop. No, no.
He does that. Never touch his iPod. He picks his nose.
That's nasty.
Somebody eats his snot.
That's nasty.
He eats somebody else's
I'm gonna
snot
die
too.
now. I'm
And
dying.
we're not making any stuff up. This is true.
Yep.
This is true news on. This is ABC.com.
That's a website. That's not a news channel.
On YouTube. You should look at this on his channel. Okay, so.
Yep. Like a Bus
Hey,
Productions.
come on, do it to me. Oh, you're going down, buddy. Ah! I'm gonna kill you. Ah!
Punch.
I'm gonna punch you in the face. I'm gonna kick your eel. I'm gonna
Wow.
kick your eye.
Language.
I'll go to Sita. Oh, Cuba.
You say it's your favorite song. Put your ear to that thing.
I thought they actually meant their shoulders.
Well, I'll get to you guys
See you
soon.
later, shoulders. See you later, butzos. See you later,
No,
butzos.
stop.
Your
Say
village,
bye.
Butzos. See you later, butzos.
Say bye.
Bye, dummy butts.
Yeah. So we're off the boat. Yeah. Just like I mentioned in the beginning of the, I don't know, but just like I mentioned in the beginning, if you have any screen recorders, anything, send me. Yep. So that I can actually record stuff on the computer. Yeah. Yep. Owl. So, and audio recorders, if they come together, that's good. Just comment in the comments and yeah. In the summer I will make more videos, so thumbs up. Yeah. How was the boat ride?
Horrible.
No, really, come on.
Horrible.
He loved it. Today's opposite day for him. See, exactly. Yeah, so, whoa. Okay, yeah, so, too many thumbs up. But there can never be too many thumbs up on, for the likes. Yeah, that's horrible. Don't say anything about that in the comments. Just don't. I'm done.